reasonable response. They have taken our child away, and you want to give a reasonable response. Co-created her. We gave her life. She was our creation, our child, and now she has been destroyed, and you want to give a reasonable response. No. The time for reason is over. The live and let live attitude of the fandom beyond the iron walls of the General has planted the final nail in the coffin of our legacy. Your decision to allow cretins like Yamino to walk the streets after their blasphemy has driven a spike through our very core. And you want reason. You want restraint? No. Make no mistake. Heads will roll. There will be war. The only thing that could possibly convey the sheer magnitude of rage I am feeling right now would be an entire chapter of chaos-angry Marines riding atop a million burning skeletal zombie Cybranosaurus Rexes. And even that only covers a fraction of the burning hatred for those directly responsible. And you want restraint. I'm not going to hold back just to save karma anymore. I hate you people. I absolutely, completely hate you and the rest of Brony culture. You have no sense of pride, no respect for this fandom. You have done nothing to protect it, nothing to preserve what we have created. And now entitled fucks like Yamino are tearing it apart, brick by agonizing brick. This is where I draw the goddamn line. Fuck anyone who thinks this is overboard hate. Bring on the downvotes. I don't give a fuck. Hasbro has abandoned us. Yamino is destroying us. I'm going to fucking do something about it. Fuck love. Fuck tolerance. They deserve nothing less than utter destruction. Death to Yamino.